guys, I was not planning on recording tonight. I got back from Seattle at 3 o'clock in the morning. I still have to record the end of my Stitch Fix video, so that's coming. I wasn't going to record this at all today. I got a Grove Collaborative box, and I had forgotten what I ordered, so I thought it was just the same stuff I've shown before. But there are a few new things in here, so I'll show you what is in Grove Collaborative, my box this month. Grove Collaborative is a all-natural, some organic, household cleaning and like beauty care, skin care, baby care company. And you set orders to come on a recurring basis each month, but you can change what you order each month. You can also change your schedule to every other month or on demand. It's pretty flexible. I'll have details in the description box below. Anyway, let's take a look at what is in this box. I have some repeats. Ho, 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 it's the time of year for Mrs. Meyer's pine scent. So I got 2 pine scented cleaners. You know, last year I went crazy and bought a whole bunch, which I hoarded all year long. And I got some pine scented dish soap. Since my dishwasher broke and I've been hand washing dishes, I have been loving the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. What else do I have in here? Oh, this is new. I got a number of free items in here that they chose for me. I am a Premier member, or I'm sorry, VIP member. And if you're a VIP member, you pay $20 a year and they send you bonus items that total more than $20. Plus you get free shipping. You can join Grove Collaborative and there's no fee to sign up. I just chose like a higher tier membership because I like getting free stuff to try out. This is floor cleaner concentrate. You can put it in a spray bottle and use it to clean your floor. So this was one of the items I think I got as a bonus item, and I am suspecting this goes with it. I'm not sure. Yes, indeed. Here's a glass spray bottle. I thought this came with it. The glass spray bottle with a kind of a silicone base so it doesn't slide off the counter. You dilute the floor cleaner into this, you spray it on your floor, and then you mop. And I have a little, I call it a scoosh scoosh. It's one of those little trigger spray mops with a head you can remove and wash. And I can fill it with any kind of cleaner, so I can use this for something else, and I can put this straight in my mop situation. This is a nice little spray bottle. Okay, what else do I have here? All right, I really hope this is recording correctly because I'm using my phone again and its back is to me and I can't tell what is recording. So let's hope I don't have to re-record this like I do with some of my Stitch Fix, most of which I recorded before I left for Seattle. This, I believe, was also a bonus item. Tea towel in autumn fig. So, oh, that's cute. I have the little, they're sort of handy wipes on steroids. They're called European dishcloths in the same pattern. Those things are amazing. And it's a very light, almost gauzy. I suppose it's like a dish towel, but it's not like a terry dish towel, so I don't know how absorbent it would be. That's cute. I could even use it like for a little table runner if I wanted to. That's very cute. And that was just included as part of my bonus buys. This is one of the new things, okay? This is not it. This is a handle. This is what goes on it. These are replaceable heads. You're supposed to put this on here, and this is to clean glassware. Now, what I actually got it for is I have a Keurig coffee maker, and if you have one of those, you know the water reservoir can get kind of scummy, and you can't always get to all the parts with a regular dishcloth or sponge. So I thought I would try this. I really hope I'm on camera. This is supposed to clip in here. Let's see how that works. I'm gonna have to take the tag out. Oh, no, it clips right in. All right, and once these little spongy florets are wet, you're supposed to be able to stick it right in and get around stuff. So my next unboxing, I will give you a review of how well this worked. This I purchased. I also repurchased their little biodegradable doggy poop scooper bags because you all know we have moose. We take them for walks, and I find these work really well. You put them on your hand, clean up what he dumped, and it doesn't leak through onto your hand. You can just pull it back out and dispose of it. So I went through all the ones I got last time. I got about 3 months ago a set of these. So they lasted me about 3 months. And This is another repurchase, the hand sanitizer spray, which I much prefer to their hand sanitizer gel. Grove Collaborative hand sanitizer spray. Oh my gosh, I wish you could spray this. I had a thing of this, let me pump the spray, on the airplane because airplanes are gross. And before I got my little Fritos they handed out, I sprayed my hand with this and the flight attendant was walking by. She goes, "What's that really nice smell?" It smells like oranges. And it is such a nice fresh smell. It doesn't smell chemically. I love this stuff. This is always a repurchase for me. And this last thing, I believe I ordered this. I don't think this is one of my freebies. I got a lot of freebies this month. All right. Another Grove Collaborative dish towel called In Winter Woods color. So it's green with a little bit of gold in it. I don't know how well you can see it. Actually, this might have been one of the, I got a lot of free stuff this month. Can you see? There's a little gold thread mixed in with this deep kind of forest green. And this is a nice size dish towel. I have one of these from Grove. It's got a waffle weave. I don't know if you can see that. I have one of these in red that I got a couple of years ago, and it's quite a nice towel. So I was glad to get this one. And that's all that was in this box. It wasn't a huge order, but I do have a few new things to show you. The floor cleaner with the spray bottle, the glass cleaner, as in glasses, and the dish towel. So I wanted to show you those. If you're interested in trying Grove Collaborative and you sign up with the link below, you should get a 5-piece gift set. It usually involves Mrs. Meyer's stuff. They may change it up so you can click the link and find out. And if you get Grove Collaborative and you've tried any of these things, please post in the comment box and let me know. All right, I will see you soon with my Stitch Fix, which I got just before I left for Seattle, and I extended my return date so I'd have more time to look over this stuff and decide what to keep. And as always, I will look forward to your opinions on that. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.